Good morning, student. Hope you all are well. And today we are going to start our sixth chapter, which is molecular basis of inheritance. And the first topic which we will discuss from this chapter is the nucleic acid. Now, nucleic acids are the basis of heredity, means it is the nucleic acid which is responsible for transmission of characters from parent to their offspring. Okay. Now, nucleic acids are of two types, which is the DNA and RNA. Okay. DNA and RNA both are a polynucleotide structure या polynucleotide chain. Polynucleotide means कि several nucleotides are attached one above the other to form a chain-like structure, which forms the DNA or RNA, depending upon which type of nitrogenous bases are present in it. Okay. Now let us talk about the nucleotide. Okay, nucleotide. Nucleotides are comprises of nucleoside plus ion of phosphoric acid or PO4 3 minus. Okay. Now this nucleoside is made of 5 carbon sugar plus nitrogenous bases. Okay. Now we will talk about the structure of 5 carbon sugar means ribose sugar or nitrogenous bases. Now first we will discuss nitrogenous base, structure of nitrogenous bases. Nitrogenous nitrogenous bases are categorized into two groups, that is purine and pyrimidine. Pyrimidine or pyrimidine, whatever you will say. NB means nitrogenous base. In short, we will write always it nitrogenous base as NB. Purines are double ring structure, while pyrimidines are single ring structure. Okay. Purines are double ring structure and pyrimidines are single ring structure. Purine comprises of 4 nitrogen in its structure. Okay, and pyrimidine contains 2 nitrogen. Now we will talk about the structure of purine and pyrimidine separately. First is the purine. As I have told you earlier that purines are double ring structure and it contains 4 nitrogen. Now it is the general structure of purine. Okay, and pyrimidine the general structure of pyrimidine is no. This is the general structure of pyrimidine. Now purine consists of two nitrogenous base, that is adenine and guanine, and pyrimidine comprises of three, which is thymine, cytosine, and third one is the uracil. Okay, now the structure of adenine, we will discuss the structure of adenine. Now make a flowchart of nitrogenous base. Nitrogenous base, which is purine or pyrimidine. Purine is adenine, guanine. We have to discuss the structure of adenine. Now, this is the structure of adenine, ring structure of adenine. Okay. Now its IUPAC will be 6 amino purine. Okay, numbering will be done from here. 1, 2, sorry. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 9. Okay. So at 6 number amine group is attached, so its IUPAC will be 6 amino purine. Now the structure of guanine. This is the structure of guanine, and its IUPAC will be 2 amino 6 oxy purine. Okay, the IUPAC of guanine is 2 amino 6 oxy purine. Now the structure of pyrimidine nitrogenous bases. Pyrimidine nitrogenous bases. It is, as purines are 2 types, adenine and guanine, pyrimidines are 3 types, which is the thymine, cytosine, and the third one is the uracil. Now structure of thymine, cytosine, and uracil are discussed here. Pyrimidines are single ring structure and contains two nitrogen in it. Okay. Its IUPAC will be, numbering will be done from this side here. Sorry, from here. 1, 2, 4 dioxy 5 methyl or methyl pyrimidine. Okay. Now cytosine. For cytosine, two oxy 4 amino, sorry, 4 amino 2 oxy or 2 oxy 4 amino pyrimidine. Okay. Now going to draw the structure of uracil here. Uracil. Now its IUPAC will be 2, 4 dioxy pyrimidine. Okay. Now there are total 5 nitrogenous bases, which are adenine, guanine, thymine, cytosine and uracil. And the nucleic acids, which are the DNA and RNA, it contains 4 of these 5 nitrogenous bases, and the one of the thymine and uracil is present in DNA and one is present in RNA. This uracil is present in RNA while thymine is present in DNA. Okay. Now let us draw the structure of any nucleotide. Okay. Any nucleotide. Okay. Now let us draw the structure of ATP. Okay. ATP. It is an energy molecule. This energy molecule. ATP means adenosine triphosphate. Adenosine triphosphate. Adenosine means adenine plus 5 carbon sugar. Okay. This is adenine. Sorry, this is not adenine. This is adenine. This is the 5th carbon. Sorry, 5th not. It is the 1st carbon of the ribose sugar. Now this is the structure of ATP, which adenosine triphosphate. Okay, thank you.